Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So, have you done the assignment?
Yes, sir.
So, Karan, first share your screen and just show me whatever you get.
Yes, sir. So can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. So I have done on Panda Express.
Yeah.
It's a company that delivers food.
Post
So
types, picture, blog, post text. Start your. Okay, scroll left. Shares with husband, shares with family. Now go. Go to the post text of Wednesday.
post text or Wednesday.
Yeah. Visit our website and get the text. Okay. First of all, I'm giving my observation one by one. First of all, post text should contain hashtags as well as website links. So you are in Wednesday, you have posted like visit our website and get the bills. So where is the website? So you have to give the website link.
Okay, sir.
Start your Monday with Panda Express. So where is that Panda Express? You have to give the link or uh, like anything which people can click and place the order. So you need to give that link. And obviously hashtag is mandatory.
Okay, sir.
I want, how are you guys? How are you guys doing today? Well, which post is this?
It's
Creating
Friday creating poll to engage with.
fun. So in poll, you are asking how are you guys doing today? It is basically very much vague and like it is not adding any kind of value to the post. So what I am doing today, either I am fine or I am not fine. So that's the thing.
Yes, sir.
So you should give something engaging means you are asking something relevant uh, according to your product. There should be a relevance between your product and your poll. Like Panda Express, I guess it is a food delivery app, right?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, you can ask questions like this: which is your favorite cuisine? Chinese or Mughlai? Yeah, Indian. So like this, you can ask this like. Okay, so this can be an engaging thing because every people have some kind of taste according in their food. I mean, food taste actually differs place to place, person to person, like this. So if you ask such questions, people might start engaging with you. Then
Yes,
you
sir.
can also ask like this, which is the what kind of how fast you want your food delivery should get completed. It's 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, like this. So this is also a very engaging. It is related to your service or your product. And also you can get some kind of insights that what your followers are actually thinking about your product and service, or what are their feedback. So if some say Panda Express giving delivery usually by 30 minutes. Now you are asking such questions to the customer or to your social media users, and their preference can be like 15 minutes. So you can also align your manpower, or you can align your delivery time accordingly. So this is also an insight you can get from these things. So people are also engaging, as well as you are getting some kind of insights from these kind of uh, polls. Okay. Uh, then again, click on the link and order now. Hurry up. So where is the link? So link you have to give.
Yes, sir.
This is one. And also what I'm seeing that in your post, most of the things are mainly very much uh, product centric or service centric. If
Yes,
in
sir.
every post you are asking people to just click the link and order now, special offer on your Happy Meal. Again, click on the link and order now, hurry up, like this. So start your Monday with Panda Express. So everywhere you are actually pitching your product. So this will actually backfire sometimes, because people become very much irritated when you ask every time, like buy from me, come to me, order me, like this. So they want something which is entertaining. So we spend time in social media to entertain ourselves. So that thing is missing here. It's very much like the product centric post. Every post have such things. So what you can do is you can diversify your post. Like you can share one meme on meme. You
Yes,
can
sir.
share one meme, say on Saturday or on Friday. You can share one meme, which is funny. Okay. On Monday you can you can post something which is motivational, as well as it is related to food. Okay. Like uh, can't can't get rid of Monday blues. uh, Here is a cup of coffee that will make your day.
Yes, sir.
So then you can just share a small recipe of a coffee. Okay. Or you can also ask like them. So if you want to pitch your service here, you can also ask them like, we are here, your hot coffee is ready, or your hot coffee is just a click away. Just click and we are here, like this. Okay. So you have to be a bit creative about your content. Okay. Then just click on the link and order now. The topic is linking to the content from the blog. So when someone is coming to your blog, they are actually not here to to place order. Rather, their intention is to read something or to gain knowledge on something. So in that case, you can write down a blog on um, chicken, chili chicken recipe, okay, or shawarma chicken recipe. Okay, how to make shawarma at your home, or step-by-step guide. So this can be a blog. So you just post that blog, so people can come to your website. They can read that blog. They can also interact with your blog through comments, shares, likes, like this.
Yes, sir.
Then date and reminding people to visit the website. Again, posting update and reminding people. So in this is probably Wednesday. So on Wednesday, you can just ask them to order from you. So that a product which is should be there. Okay, so here it is fine.
Yes.
Then share special offers. So you can offer like midweek offers. Okay. Throwback offers like this. You can also give some offers. So fine. Poll I have already mentioned. Retweet and linking to the website. Click on the link and order now. Hurry up. No, in this particular day, this is probably which day it is?
Saturday.
It is Saturday. So on Saturday, you can just add some tips or tricks. Okay.
Yes.
Small tips to like there are a lot of challenges we face usually while cooking, like how to make your like how to keep your chicken soft while frying it like this, or how to make your chicken juicy when you are making a pakora or cooking a pakora like this. A small tips, say like uh, marinate it for 1 hour and then uh, start frying. It will keep your chicken soft or juicy. So like this, you can add such tips and tricks on Saturday. Sunday vibes, like you can also add some kind of memes or like uh, funny stuffs related to your food. So you like this kind of. Have you seen Sacred Games?
No, sir.
So in Sacred Games, there was a dialogue, and it became a very popular meme. Like "Kabhi kabhi lagta hai apuni Bhagwan hai."
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you can like create a meme out of it. Today I ate chicken, mutton, then I also ate egg, then all the vegetables I have in my home like this, and then the image of clippings from that web series, and then write "Kabhi kabhi lagta hai apni Bhagwan" like this. So this kind of thing you have to find out. So I will suggest you check different social media pages of different brands that will give you an idea like how they are actually creating their content calendar, how they're planning for their post, on which day what kind of post they are giving, and what is the pattern of each post. So that will give you an insight about how to create a calendar, how to do this post. Okay. So
Okay.
one thing is, first of all, you have to add website link and hashtags based on your content type that you are promoting. Another thing is you have to diversify your content. You should not use order now, order from here, come to me, like this kind of stuffs in every post. People are here in social media to entertain themselves, to spend leisure time. So you have to give that space to your user. So that you have to do. So that's it. Uh,
Okay.
so now Shreya, you share your screen.
So,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, actually, I have an Instagram page, an art page, public art page, and I was trying to plan, create a calendar for that. But I got confused as the format was not fitting for the Instagram. And also,
What
I
kind
had
of
very
format?
few. So I was confused the calendar format, like text, post text, image text. like that.
Okay. So see, it is like, can you show me the Instagram profile that you have?
So give me a minute. So
Yeah.
is it visible?
Yes. Yes. Just friends canvassing and capturing live together. DMs are personalized. Fine. So, so click on the fast image.
Still, video.
Okay. So, this video was made by you, or it is someone else's video?
So my friend.
So it is the video, original video from you, YouTube
Yes,
only.
sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. So you are already doing great here. So see, so when you are actually creating such thing,
Yes, sir.
this one is very good one. Like you are just posting a video of your recipe. Okay, so but I think I have one question here, because as you have mentioned, artwork, collab, and purchase. Click
Yes, sir.
on more. That more. No, in the bio section. No,
Oh,
not
sir.
here. In the bio section. Collab, purchase. So you people are actually uh, promoting your artwork. So
Yes, sir.
why promoting your artwork? Why suddenly a video of cooking that I can't get?
So because we our page is canvases and lenses, so we try to capture things of our daily life and as well as paint and
Artworks.
create. Yes, sir.
So in that case, you can plan your calendar accordingly. Like on Monday, uh, you can post a picture or a video of an artwork while you are making that artwork. Like you are
Yes, sir.
making a card, uh, take a video of it and post it,
Yes, sir.
and write a post text like beat your Monday blues with this amazing artwork video, like this, or motivate yourselves with this amazing painting video, like this. You can put like this. Then on Tuesday you can post something, uh, Monday motivation, then Tuesday. So on Tuesday you can post something from your life. So you were uh, like this recipe or anything else, a video of a recipe or a image of a food like this. And
Yes,
your
sir.
post text should be like this. Weekend is only few days left. Motivate and uh, complete the weekend like a pro. Don't compromise with your food like this. This kind of post you can give. Then Tuesday, Wednesday. On Wednesday, you can post some kind of uh, images. No, on Thursday you can post some old images of yours. Like you are running this page along with another friend,
Yes, sir.
so you can post your a photo of you and your friend from a from your childhood or from your school days like this, and you can just give a hashtag like throwback Thursday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this way you can plan your entire calendar, but make sure that there should be ample of things which can make your audience entertained and happy. That should be your priority, because if every time you just share like this, buy from me, I am open for collaboration like this, it actually irritates your user. So that you have to maintain. And
Yes, sir.
the calendar format, you can follow whatever Mainam have as did. So this kind of format you can use. It is a simple Excel format where there will be the date, the type of post text, image text, as well as an image idea if any. Okay, so this particular format is like very easy, simple, and widely acceptable. So that you can use.
Okay, sir.
Also, I also suggest, as I have suggested to Mainam, like you can also check some of the YouTube, Instagram channels or Facebook pages of other brands, how they are using their platform. See, there is no hard and fast rule to do something in social media. Okay. Obviously, you have to be abide by the policy. Like you can't promote something which is illegal. You can't promote something which is not ethically right. So that is there, but there is no such formula to get success in social media. Everything depends on the user, how the user
Yes, sir.
uh, like accepting your content. That's the only thing. So whatever I suggested you is all about a very generic version. Whatever we usually do in our as a social media expert, what we do exactly, but there is no hard and fast rule, or there is no such formula to success for success. That's fine. Now,
Yes, sir.
as we have discussed about the organic part of social media marketing, now I will go to the mm, paid part and some of the technicalities. Now I am sharing my screen. So this is a Facebook profile, and this is a Facebook page. Now say you want to promote this page. So like when you want to promote this page through a paid promotion, you need an ad account. So there are two types of ad account available in Facebook. One is the personal ad account, which is here. Sorry. Here, ad. Okay. So this one is a personal ad account. We call it a ad manager. So there are two type of ad accounts available in Facebook. One is this personal ad account, which is there in every profile. If you check your Facebook profile, you can also find one ad manager there. Okay. So it is there in every profile. Okay. And this is a very generic one. You can use this particular ad manager to run ads of different pages. So if you are managing multiple pages, you can run ad for all multiple pages from this ad account. So it is a very generic ad account and personal ad account. Now the another entity is business manager. This is the URL of business manager, business.facebook.com. Okay, so this is a business manager of Facebook. This particular thing is designed specifically to manage business. Okay. So to log in this particular profile, the Facebook profile ID password is enough. You don't have to create any other ID or password to access the business manager. Your own Facebook profile's ID password is enough to log in to the business manager. So in business manager, it looks like this. This is the internal structure of a business manager. Currently, Facebook has created a new version of business manager, that is business suite. It looks like this. So if you create a business manager now, it will come like this. Business suite. Personally, I don't feel this particular layout is very helpful for us or very efficient structure for us. So I always prefer to use the older version of the business manager, that is this one. So within this business manager, there are two parts. One is this pages, another is ad account preferences or ad account. So each business manager is designed to manage only one business entity. So you are running multiple business. So you have one business for like manufacturing fans. You have another business of educational institute. You have another business to manufacture plastic polythene equipments. So you are running three businesses. So each three business need to have a page in the Facebook, need their own ad account. So you have to create three separate business manager, and you have to manage those business from each of these business managers. Okay. Now you can ask me, if I don't use a business manager because I already have a personal ad account, then what will be the difference? See, there are several differences. One is if I don't have a business manager and I am managing all my business from my personal ad account, it will dilute my purpose. Why? Because other than these two things, ad account and pages, there are several other factors in business manager. If I am going to the business settings, where is the business settings? Business settings. Okay. So within this business settings, you can see the one is people, then partners, system users, pages, accounts, business asset groups, apps, Instagram accounts, WhatsApp accounts, like this. Data sources, pixels. So these are all other secondary entities of a business. So say you have one business which deals with manufacturing fans. You have another business that deals with polythene equipments. Another business that deals with education. So you have three business. Three business are being managed by three other people or three different agencies. So if you are actually using the personal ad account, you can't give them the access. So through business manager, you can give access to the specific people. So say you have three people, one is X, another one is Y, another one is Z. So three people. So you want X to take the responsibility of your educational business. So you will only give X, you will only give the access of the educational business to X, not Y or not Z. So it is only possible when you work in business management. It is not possible in personal profile. Now you want Z to take the responsibility of your polythene equipment business. So you will only give Z to that particular access. So like this. Now ad accounts. So each ad account for each business have some distinct features, like the type of audience you are working on, the type of the locations that you are targeting, like this. So your customer list, all these things are different between each and every businesses. So people who are actually interested in education, they are not same for to the people who are actually interested in polythene equipments. People who are interested in polythene equipments, they might not get interested in fans. Okay, so each and every audience is different. Each and every business audience, each and every requirement of business is different. So every ad account has a section called ad account assets that contains images of that particular ad account, that contains audiences, saved audience that you want to target. Okay, that contains customer list of your business. So each of these things are not same for all three businesses. So you need separate entity that will segregate all these three things. So that is why also it is required. Another one is like Instagram accounts and WhatsApp. All three businesses should have a separate Instagram account and separate WhatsApp account where people can communicate. So you should link all these accounts with your business manager so that you can specifically manage each and every assets of your business in a very structured manner, like this. Add WhatsApp account, add Instagram account, like this. Now the another thing is pixels. So what is pixels? So in Google Ads, we learned that before running a Google campaign, we need to add a specific code in the website. And that particular code helps us to track users' journey, users' behavior in my website. Similarly in Facebook, it has pixels. It is very similar to the code, the tracking code that we have used in Google Ads. Okay. So this is the pixel code. So you have to copy this thing and you have to paste it in the header section of your website. Or you can also use this thing through Tag Manager. So each pixel has a unique ID. That is, here it is 14192000418, like this. This one. Yeah. So this is the pixel. This is the unique code. This is a unique code, and it differs business to business. Okay. And each business manager should have only one pixel. You can't create multiple pixels from a single business manager. Okay. This pixel will help you to track the traffic coming to your website from Facebook. What are their behaviors, on which page they are clicking, whether they are filling up the form or not. All these things you can track through this particular code. Okay, so this is called pixel. So if you have a multiple business and if you don't have a business manager, then how will you create separate pixels for every business? It is actually not possible. So that is why you need to have a separate account for managing your all the three businesses. So once you copy and paste this pixel in the website, this red mark, this one, no activity here, will turn green. When it turns green, you will understand like you have successfully implemented your pixel in the website. Okay. There is a thing, this. Sorry. Facebook Pixel Helper. Okay. So Facebook Pixel Helper will help you to understand whether there is any active pixel there in the website or not. So I'm just giving you one demo. Say I'm going to any random website. Panda Express, as Mainam mentioned in our social media calendar. So I'm going to Panda Express. So in Panda Express, see, it is showing 2. So there is one page pixel. This is the unique ID. So this is this is an extension in Chrome, and you can install it in your browser so that you can also track like whether the pixel has been successfully implemented in your website or not. You can also understand like whether your competitors are using pixel to track their traffic or not. So all these things you can do through this particular extension. Custom conversion. Okay, so custom conversion are basically logic based conversion action. So here I am defining conversion. Which action should I consider as a conversion? So that kind of logic I can say it here. Like the condition is URL contains thank you will be treated as a conversion. So if people are visiting my website, so that is the website traffic. So now if someone visit this particular page, that is thank you page, I will treat it as a conversion, or Facebook will treat it as a conversion. So this kind of logic based conversion settings you can also create here. So now I think you can understand why we need to have a business manager than a personal account. Personal account is very much generic and there is no way to segregate each and every business. But business manager will help you to segregate your business based on its type, its audience, its location. So you can create 3 or more business managers, and each business manager should contain one business, and all the business assets, that is the pixel, custom conversions, customer list, then Instagram account, WhatsApp account, all these things should be there within that business manager only. So it will help you to concentrate your targeting in a specific on a specific audience instead of diluting it. Okay. So if you want to add people, you can just add people from here. Click on add, give the email ID of the people, and you can just give the access. There are different level of access. One is employee access, another is admin access. You can customize your access like this. Once you send an invite to a person, that person will get an email in its inbox. So to accept that invitation, they need to click on that email, and Facebook will guide that person step by step how to create their own business manager and get this access. So here's one thing. You can also add pages here. Add a page, request access to a page, create a new page. You can also add accounts. Add an ad account, request access to an ad account. Create a new ad account. So this is the business settings within Business Manager. Now I am going to the ad manager. So ad manager is very important in Facebook because most of the businesses run campaigns in Facebook. Facebook ad is very common kind of ad that people are usually running. Why? Because Facebook is the most important and most popular social media channel, and the highest number of people are there in Facebook. Okay, so that is one reason. Another one is Facebook ads are cheaper than any other platform. and it is also user friendly. It is very easy to use. Anyone can create a Facebook ad. Okay, so you don't have to like you don't need to know any kind of rocket science to create an ad in Facebook. It is very easy to do. In Google is a bit complex. There are a lot of factors in Google. I have to work on the bid strategy. I have to work on the keywords. I have to work on the search volume and completion of the keywords. So it is a very lengthy process and very complex process in Google. Whereas Facebook is very easy, and it is one of the best platform to reach maximum number of audience at a short time, because we can't find anyone who don't have a Facebook profile. So everyone has a Facebook profile. Okay, so that is why it is an opportunity for us to target those people and to promote our business. So I'm just showing a step-by-step guide about how to create a ad. So this is the ad manager, and this is the create option. So all the ad has 3 layers, that is campaign level, ad set level, ad level, which is similar to the Google. So this is the campaign level. In this level, you have to select the objective of your campaign. It can be a brand awareness, it can be a reach, it can be traffic, it can be engagement. Okay, so within engagement, there are also 3 types of engagement. One is post engagement, another is page likes, another is event responses. Okay, app installs, videos like this. So I am just taking engagement because this is the most common type of ads people used to run. Page likes. Continue. So I can add the name of my campaign. Say test campaign. Today's date is 19th April. So you can give any name you want. Basically, name will help you to understand which campaign you are running for which location or for which business or what kind of campaigns you are running. The campaign name will give you a brief idea about that. I'm leaving this section, that is special ad categories, because this section is related to credit, employment, housing, or about social issues, elections, or politics. So I'm not promoting any such thing. I'm not promoting credit card. I'm not promoting employment or housing opportunity. I'm not promoting any kind of social issues or politics. Nothing I'm promoting. I'm promoting a simple product. Okay. So this is the campaign buying type. Auction. This is the only available buying type we have. So usually Facebook has 2 kind of buying type. One is auction, another is reach and frequency. Reach and frequency is basically a beta version, and it is not available in all the Facebook accounts. The only available option is auction. So auction is, you all know what auction is. So it is very similar to Facebook, Google's auction model. But obviously there is a difference, because in Google your auction works based on the keywords you are searching, and the number of people, number of competitors actually competing for that particular keyword. So, but in Facebook, there is no concept of keyword. Here, everything deals with the news feed. How many times your ad will come to your news feed? It is also based on the auction model. Okay. So like your competitor is spending more money, or your competitor's target is more sharper, than you, in that case, the computer will win the auction, and it will come to your newsfeed fast. Okay. So then after that, you might see your own ad. That is not an issue. But whoever win the auction will come to your newsfeed. Okay. This is the objective, page likes. Fine. Now another is A/B testing. Okay. A/B testing, I think you people already are aware of it. Anyone, can you tell me what is A/B testing?
No, sir.
Shreya? Can you tell me what is A/B testing, Shreya? Hello, Shreya, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah. Can you tell me
Yes, sorry, sir.
what is A/B? Yeah, no issue.
No, sir.
So A/B testing, see what
Hello.
it is. Yeah, I can hear you. So here it is written like try different images, add text, audiences, and more to see which one performs best. So basically, you have one campaign. You are creating two versions of that campaign. One is A, another is B. Two versions have certain differences. Like you have changed the audience. You're using audience A to 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 a campaign. You are using audience B to the another campaign. You are using one image to this campaign. You are using another image to this campaign. So you are creating different kind of combinations to understand which one is performing better. Okay. So this is called A/B testing. So A/B testing will help you to understand which is the best combination to promote your product or to promote your service in Facebook. Then the campaign budget optimization. Campaign budget optimization is, see, you can in Google, you have to put the budget in the campaign level only. But in Facebook, you can put your budget in campaign level as well as in the ad group level. Okay. So it's up to you on which level you want to put your campaign. Sorry, your budget. If you put your budget in campaign level, all your ad group can share that budget. That's a shared budget. So say your budget is 1,000 rupees and you have two ad groups within that campaign. So the two ad groups will take 1,000 rupees as their budget. So they will share their budget accordingly based on their performance, based on their features. Okay. Like the image quality, the text, response from the user. All these things will like determine how much budget they will spend from the campaign budget. But if you put your budget in the ad group level, then only that particular ad group will spend that money. Okay. So like I am just sharing my whiteboard to explain this thing. Say this is one campaign. Campaign 1. Budget 1,000 rupees. So within this campaign, I have two ad groups. Now both of these ad group will take this 1,000 rupees as a shared budget. Now the ad that is performing better will spend the major share of the budget, because Facebook will diversify that budget to that ad group which is performing better. So this is one. Another is you have another campaign, is campaign 2 budget. Okay, there is no budget in the campaign level, but you have group 1,000 rupees. So here your campaign budget is in the ad group level, and for ad group 1 you have your budget is 1,000 rupees, and for ad group 2 your budget is 500 rupees. Now Facebook will spend the budget accordingly for each of the ad group. Okay. So this is the difference between campaign budget optimization. So one budget is in campaign level, another budget is the ad group level. Going next. So this is the ad set level or ad group level. So here you have to create your audience, like the targeting options.
Sir, we can only see the whiteboard.
Yeah. So this one is the campaign level, and now I'm going to the ad group level. So I have given a name of it, ad group 1. You can also call it ad set. Within this thing, you can define your budget. Budget have two parts. One is daily budget, another is lifetime budget. Lifetime budget. So in daily budget, you are actually giving an instruction to Facebook like, this is the maximum budget that I want to spend on a daily basis. Okay. Whereas in lifetime budget, you are actually instructing Facebook that this is my total budget. Whatever you will spend should not go beyond this much amount. Okay. This is the difference between lifetime budget and daily budget. Now you can also give an end date of a particular campaign. Say you are running a campaign for Diwali. So that campaign should only run within the Diwali period. It should not be run after Diwali. So you can set an end date here. So your campaign will automatically stop after that date. Okay. So you can just add a date like this. This is the targeting option. Here you can add targeting. You can change the location here, like this. You can target based on country. You can target based on state. You can target based on city. You can target based on neighborhood. You can also target based on pin codes. Say like this. I'm just putting one thing. This way you can target. You can also target your audience based on ages, like 24, 20, 20, like this. You can also select your candidate based on their gender. Currently it is all. You can also change. So if you are promoting some kind of cosmetics or jewelry items, you can change it to women. If you are promoting some kind of financial products or some kind of technological gadgets or cars, you can opt for me like this. Besides, there is another thing called detailed targeting. Currently, Facebook is removing some of the detailed targeting, which will be very difficult for us to target a specific audience. Uh, Detailed targeting will help you to target people based on their interest or their behavior or their demographical factors. So, like digital marketing, interest. So, people who have interest in digital marketing, I want to target those people. Food, seafood. So, people who love seafood, I want to target those people. Like this way, I can add detailed targeting here. I can also target based on their demographics, educational qualification, okay, financial status, life events, newlywed, new relationship, like this. So if you are promoting some kind of jewelry products, you can target these people, newly engaged, newlywed, like this, because in this time, people are very much tend to give some gifts to their uh, better half. Parents, parents with adult children, parents with early school age children, so like this. So all these targetings are there. You can target it based on your product or service. And you can also check this detailed targeting expansion. Detailed targeting expansion is basically you are instructing Facebook that this is my target audience, and you have to target these people only. But if you check this particular thing like targeting expansion, Facebook will go beyond your targeting. Facebook will go beyond your targeting and sometimes show your ad to those people who are not actually within your target audience, but probably they are highly potential for your business. Okay. So if you check this thing, Facebook will start your optimizing your campaign like this. Okay. Now this is the placement. Automatic placement is the most common and recommended placement. But if you have any special criteria, you can obviously change it, and you can change your placement according to you, whatever suits you, basically. So optimization. So I currently am running a Facebook page like ads. So my optimization for app delivery is on page likes. Cost per result goal. Basically, this is the cap. So you are setting up a goal like this much of amount I want to spend for a like. Okay, so basically you are giving a cap. So Facebook will take that instruction and Facebook will show your ad to those who are very much tend to give a like within that particular amount. So this is your ad group level or ad set level. Now I am going to the ad level. You have to provide a name here. Ad 1. So here you have to add your ad copy. That is the image, the primary text, add image. This. Paste, paste, down, like this. Also, I want to mention here, as I have already mentioned, that you should add hashtags and website link in your post. It is not applicable for ad. You don't have to add hashtags or any other links within your ad, because this ad itself is a link, and whenever people will click on that image, people will directly redirect to the website or the social media page. And once you upload your ad copy, the next task is to publish. So currently I don't have any payment method. If I have a payment method, it will get published directly. But as no payment method is there, I have to add the payment method first, then I can only publish this thing. Now, what is payment method? Payment method is basically the credit card or the debit card or net banking details that actually helps you to refill your Facebook ad account. So to run a campaign, you need money. Okay. So you have to refill your Facebook ad account with money. Okay. So to add money in Facebook ad account, you need to have a payment method, okay, where you will save your credit card or debit card or net banking details to instantly get the money credited in your Facebook account. So that is the payment method. Okay, fine. So any doubt in this? Any query?
No, sir.
Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
So here I am concluding this session. Tomorrow I will show the next phase of this campaign. Okay, and then we will again move to another type of campaigns. Okay. So, right, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.